Hey, Mark the Meerkat Suffering here at freeonlinetradingeducation.com, brought to you by Grok Trade, where I'm an analyst, host of the GrokStar Trading Room, and perhaps your future mentor. Well, here's a trade that we had this morning on the ONVO in the GrokStar Trading Room, and it is, here it is at opening, and it ran up here like 5%. We were able to catch a 4% of that on a called trade, and then it was going back and forth here, according to what we call a symmetrical triangle. If you want to know more about that, just go to our site, freeonlinetradingeducation.com, to the free chart school, and then you have to find that particular pattern here under chart patterns, and this is symmetrical triangle. Here's a description of it, and then down below here is a picture of it where it's getting tighter and tighter and tighter, getting ready to, like a coiled spring, to, if it breaks out, it should be very bullish, or it could break down. So let's take a look at what's happening here. You see it goes getting tighter and tighter here. So I told folks that we want to perhaps play this one, but there were some moving averages right here, so I wanted to make sure that my order was placed above those so I don't get a false breakout. So let's go ahead and take a look at this, and it's still high base. It's basing right there by those moving averages. Have my order set at about 685. Boom, there I am. I'm in at $6.85. I am long ONVO. Let's pull it down and see what happens next. Boom, 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 boom. And that came up here. There's bull pullback here right now to the 8 EMA. So keeping my stop just under the 8 EMA. Nicely, nicely done. Now it's high basing right here. And I want to talk about this. It's high basing on lower volume. But down below I have two indicators, OBV on balanced volume, as well as the MFI, money flow index, set at number 7. But look what's happening to the money flow. Bam! Look at that. It's dropping and dropping hard. And the market was just flat at this point. So I decided I was going to get out of my trade at this point. I had my stop just below this, but I was getting nervous, and I got out at $7.13 for 4.0% in 14 minutes. But the important part here is that why did I get out? Because this changed. I get out when things changed. Price is just leveling. This is changing. I got out. All right, let's see what happened after that. And sure enough, look at that. It did drop down here, all the way back down here. So it's dropped about 2.5–3%. So it was good that I got out. And it did. We did make some more on that. In fact, today we traded this one for 5 times for 11.9% on ONVO alone. It's a good day in the GrokStar room. Now, if you'd like to improve your trading, we have an opportunity for you this weekend. I could become your mentor. If you're interested in that, its upcoming event is the 3-day immersion training for mentoring, and it's on these dates. Just hit this button here, mentoring, give all the information that you need, description of it, as well as testimonials of it from people who've been there before. And then also there's the benefits of this particular program. Now, this is not just a 3-day program. This is just the first 3 days of training that you get, and then you get lifetime support after that at no additional charge. That's very different from most people out there. So if you want more information about it, fill in this information, hit submit, and Carolina will give you a call and interview you. Now, this is an interview, not a sales call. She's going to find out if it's appropriate for you to be in this 3-day mentoring program, or if you're not quite ready for it. So this weekend, look forward to seeing you if you'd like to be part of that program. Well, this is Mark the Meerkat Suffering. While reading this morning, I came across this particular phrase that really caught my eye. Discipline is not just knowing what to do, it's living what you know day to day. Thanks, Dr. Richard Mark Lee. Trade well, everyone.